India's vaccination drive has picked up the pace compared to how it started on January 16th this year. Daily inoculations are peaking at the moment. On August 27th, India administered over 1 crore vaccines. The vaccine developers are also ramping up their production capacities in the country. According to sources, the Serum Institute of India is now producing about 150 million doses a month of the Covishield vaccine. The vaccine production was scaled up in April when the Serum Institute of India's output stood at 65 million per month. After initially struggling with low uptake and widespread hesitancy, the country implemented a series of policies aimed at boosting demand and increasing coverage. This included opening COVID-19 vaccination to everyone above 18 years of age, resulting in a threefold increase in target beneficiaries. But the figures petered the following weeks, falling almost by half on certain days, largely due to shortages, distribution glitches, and hesitancy. Health experts said vaccine eagerness seemed to have overtaken hesitancy, which initially posed a hurdle to the target of vaccinating 944 million adult Indians by the year end. On 15th April, only 1.1% of the total Indian population was fully vaccinated, while 7.5% of people were partially vaccinated. A month later, on 15th May, 3% of the total population was fully vaccinated and 10.3% was partially vaccinated. By 30th June, 4.2% of the total population was fully vaccinated and 9.9% was partially vaccinated. A month after that, by 30th July, 7.4% of the total population was fully vaccinated, while 26.3% was partially vaccinated. 2 days ago, on 29th August, the fully vaccinated number reached 10.6% of the total population, while 35.4% of the Indian population were partially vaccinated. An average of 6.9 million vaccine doses is administered across the country every day during the past week, in the highest pace of the inoculation drive ever recorded in the country since the start of the mass program on January 16th. At the moment, according to Union Health Ministry, more than 63.3 crore doses have been administered to the people. So far, over 14 crore people have been fully vaccinated, which is about 10.6% of the total population. At least one dose has been administered to more than half of its 940 million adults. 51% of people above the age of 18 years have received vaccine shots, with 35.9% partially vaccinated and 15.1% have received both doses. The Modi government aims to inoculate the entire adult population by December 2021.